Hi there, and welcome back to the Clara CFO Group channel. Today I am here to announce some very exciting news. So some of you know, if you've been on my email list, that I have been asked to be the senior advisor to Upside Financial, specifically for a PPP tool that they've been developing. And I'm here to announce that the PPP Advisor Pro by Upside Financial is ready. It is ready to help borrowers get through the forgiveness process. So this is a really powerful combination between amazing software and real PPP experts. So what they do is they help you assemble all of the documentation that you need, and they help you figure out exact amounts to request for PPP forgiveness so that when your bank is ready to take your application, you have all the numbers you need and you have all the documents you need and you are ready to go. Seriously, they are taking the headache out of this process. I have gone through it myself with Clara CFO Group, and it's pretty great. I think one of the really awesome things I like about it is they don't require you to have all the answers. They say, hey, we'll walk you through it. Even if you don't know exactly what your payroll costs are, or what you've spent on rent or anything like that, they will help you figure it out. So that is what I really like about Upside Financial. And it's been honestly a pleasure to work with them because I'm advising them on the product, and they are taking my advice based on the stuff that I've seen, based on the comments you've had, and they are trying to make their product as great and easy to use as possible. So if you would like to try it, I have a special offer for you guys. There's $100 off the product, or the service, which makes it $3.99, a one-time flat fee to get everything you need for PPP forgiveness. So if that sounds interesting, I'm putting a link in the description below so you can use that. Feel free to share this information with anybody else that you know that might need help with PPP forgiveness and help with maximizing their forgiveness amount. Thanks so much, and I hope that's super helpful to you. If you guys have any questions about Upside Financial, PPP Advisor Pro, or just PPP in general, please put them in the comments below and we will continue the conversation there.